Hey guys, in my previous video, I showed you how to lock apps on your Motorola Moto G85 5G using the new app lock feature that came with the Android 16 update. But did you know that you can also unlock your locked apps using your fingerprint instead of a pattern? In this video, I will show you how to unlock your locked apps using your fingerprint on the Motorola Moto G85 5G with the Android 16 update. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. Then tap on apps. After that, scroll down and tap on app lock. Now enter your current app lock pattern. Here you can see all your locked apps. As you can see, I have locked my Facebook app using a pattern. Now I will also enable Fingerprint Unlock for this app. If you want to enable Fingerprint Unlock, then tap on settings icon on the right side of the unlock method option. Then simply turn on use fingerprint to unlock option. And that's it. Your fingerprint unlock is now enabled for your locked apps. Now, whenever you open a locked app, you can unlock it instantly with either your pattern or your fingerprint. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.